How to cancel ChatGPT subscription. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open ChatGPT on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on your name at the bottom left corner of your screen. After you click on your name at the bottom left corner of your screen, click on Upgrade Plan. After you click on Upgrade Plan, here you will find all your plans. And I have purchased Plus, so simply click on Manage My Subscription at the bottom of the Plus. Now, here you'll find Cancel Subscription on the right side. Click on Cancel Subscription. Then click on Cancel Subscription again. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to cancel a subscription on ChatGPT. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.